So the first person that you are going to meet, every person needs a comforter. But the issue of a comforter is like a constituent. And a constituent is also like a comrade. You know, comrades are those people that like what you like. They don't hate what you hate, they just like what you like. So I like church, you like church. Can't we become church buddies? But now you forget, they don't like you. They just like what you like. And they don't hate what you hate. So now you expect when you leave the church and you begin to say, Sister Yvonne, did you see that sister? And then the sister frowns. And then you ask yourself, but I thought you were a friend. Huh? She likes what you like. She likes church. You like church. Hallelujah. Yeah. But she does not like you. It's church that she likes. And both of you are going to the place that both of you like. So you might as well like what you like the same. Number two, there are those ones that they hate what you hate, they don't like what you like, and they also don't like you. They hate Satan. You hate Satan. He will help you to fight Satan. But don't think after they fight Satan, they will invite you to a party. This is why some of you, your heart was so much broken, you didn't go to the wedding. You see, you know, I've been through storms, through darkness. But the person fails to invite me, just like we're wedding, housewarming, kitchen, what. No invitation whatsoever. They didn't even tell you about the funeral that is coming. They just hate what you hate. It's not like they hate you, but it's also not like they love you. They don't love what you love, they just hate what you hate. So because you hate your neighbor, and somebody else hates your neighbor, all of a sudden they start judging you. But don't confuse them as what?